Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to go through a quick review of a one-digit multiplication. If it's been a while and you need a quick refresher, this should be helpful whether you're in high school, college, continuing your education, as an adult helping with an assignment, or maybe you just learned this recently. In need of a quick refresher really, no matter where you're at, here are a couple of examples to help you out. Let's jump into number one, where we have 526 multiplied by 8. So the first thing we do, just like adding numbers and subtracting numbers, we are gonna line them up like this. 526 times 8. In this case, we only have an 8, so we just line it up right there. So it's a bit more easy, I think. So now what we do is we multiply from right to left. So this is going to be very simple. We're just gonna multiply them. So if you can't do this using mental math, you can just use a calculator. And I will make a video on how to get better at mental math. So stay tuned for that video. So first of all, we have 8 times 6, or 6 times 8. I like to do from top to bottom, so 6 times 8, 2 times 8, and 5 times 8. So we have 6 times 8. 6 times 8 equals 48. Now, just like the addition, we just write the 8. And we keep the 4 right here. So now it's going to be a bit more complicated because we have to multiply it and then add the 4 to it. So now we're going to do 2 times 8. 2 times 8 equals 16, but 16 plus this 4 equals 20. So we're just going to write down 0 right here. A 0. So now we take the 2 over here. We can cross this 4 out because we already used it. And we're on to the last multiplication. We have 5 times 8. 5 times 8 equals 40, but we have to add the 2. So we get 42. Now, we don't have anything left, so we can just write the 42 as it is, and you will have your final answer, 4,208. This will be our final answer of the first example. Now, let's go over to the second example. This one is a bit more complicated and a bit more difficult because we are in the thousands at this time. So, for this one, we have 3,742 times 6. So again, for the first step, we are gonna line them up vertically. So 3,742 times 6. So now, again, we're gonna do the exact same thing. We're just gonna multiply from right to left and from top to bottom. If you're multiplying, you can also go from bottom to top, but I like to go from top to bottom. So we have 2 times 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. So we guys know now we have to write 2 down here and take the 1 over here. Now we have 6 times 4, or 4 times 6. 4 times 6 equals 24. Now we have to add the 1, and 24 plus 1 equals 25. So we write the 5 down here, we cross off the 1, and we take the 2 over here. Now we have 6 times 7. 6 times 7 equals 42. 42, add the 2 we took over here, is 44. So we write the 4 down here, and we take the next 4 right there. We cross the 2 off to not get confused by it. So now we have 6 times 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. So equals 18. We have to add the 4 to the 18. 18 plus 4 equals 22. And as we guys can see, we don't have anything to the left. This is our final number, our final multiplication. So we can just write the 22 as it is, and we will have our final answer of 22,452. I hope you guys understood the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next one.